here's how to fix your phone when it keeps on crashing. So if it's Instagram crashing or Snapchat crashing, TikTok, YouTube, whatever it is, I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So this can work for any social media app, but for this video, I'm just going to use an example social media app such as YouTube. So let's say YouTube, when you're trying to open it, it always crashes. What you have to do from here is, number one, log out of YouTube, swipe up just like that, close all. So now you have completely cleared your RAM. Now you want to press and hold on the YouTube app logo. Now you're going to have this pop up, and now you want to click on app info. You can also find app info in your phone settings and then simply go into app storage. So then once you're in this position, what you want to do is click on force stop, which is the middle. Force stop, just like that. And then now you want to go down and find where it says storage usage, which is right over here. You want to click on that. And then simply click on clear cache. Now, what you want to also do is click on clear data. I'm not going to do it because I don't have the problem, but for you, you want to click on clear data. Once you have cleared the data completely, all you have to do from here is uninstall the app. So I would actually go ahead and uninstall it. And once you've uninstalled it, simply go into your Google Play Store again and then find the app that you just uninstalled. So it'll be YouTube. Click on reinstall. I didn't uninstall it, but click on reinstall and click on open. And so that basically force updates it to the latest version, as well as clear all the memory, clear cache, clear all of the problems that it has when it crashes. And from there, it should work. However, if that doesn't work, you can just do the simple old-fashioned way of just restarting your phone, and then that should also fix it as well.